I'm getting ready to go in and preventatively spray for things like tip worms, bag worms, bud worms, all of the above. Right, so you can go to your local garden center and they can tell you what you need to use. I'm just going to fill this up. So this is a gallon sprayer right here. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut these Supertunias back. Okay? I want them all to kind of be even. I'll forfeit some blooms. I want them to fill in and get nice and bushy. Okay? You don't have to cut too much of your show off, but just to go in, and that way it looks a lot better. Then I'm gonna go back in, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and treat this Supertunias. Up a quick container. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this container. As far as I do know, because this is a smaller one, I don't necessarily want it to be a mounding, but I think I want to give it some height with probably some taller type plants. My next pot up here that I'm going to plant up. If you follow me on my Instagram page, you'll see that I went in and I planted up an amazing colorful summertime container, and then I went in with a smaller container and I planted that up. So head over to my Instagram page if you haven't seen it already, and if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'm getting ready to plant this pot up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And as always, I'll be showing you pictures later.